Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to use magnetic lasso tool in Photoshop to remove background. Let's get started. Select the image layer and select the magnetic lasso tool. Then click the selection. Simply move on your mouse. Move on your mouse. Then automatically select it to this point. Simply smoothly move on your mouse. Then selection. You can use refined it's or not use as you wish. I not use and directly layer mask. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.